Hey there, Gina's here. As you stroll down the street in China now, the Spring Festival vibe washes over you, enveloping you in its vibrant spirit and festive energy. Today, let's count some Chinese customs for the preparation of the Chinese New Year. Number 1. 贴春联. 贴 is a verb. It means stick, paste, glue. 春 means spring. 联 is the couplets. In Chinese poetry, 对联 is a pair of lines of poetry that adhere to certain rules. For example, 海阔凭鱼跃，天高任鸟飞。The sea is broad, allowing fish to leap. The sky is high, letting birds to fly. 海，天，阔，高，鱼，鸟，跃，飞. They match very well, right? And 春联 is the couplet especially for the Spring Festival. Usually carries auspicious meanings. Chinese people replace old ones and glue the new one to ward off evil spirits and express good wishes. Number 2. 办年货 means to stock up for the Chinese New Year by purchasing New Year goods and provisions. It's a tradition for Chinese people to go shopping for special foods such as 年糕, 腊味, decorations, 窗花, 年花, clothing, and the other items in preparation for Chinese Spring Festival. At the Spring Festival Eve, people will have 年夜饭, the New Year's Eve dinner, which is one of the most important meals of the year for Chinese families. It's a time for family members to gather together, enjoy a festive meal, and celebrate the coming of the new year. If you don't mind, I'll have to leave to do the dusting, 扫尘, because dust, 尘, and old, 尘, are homophones. Sweeping away dust also symbolizes discarding the old and welcome the new. Therefore, before the Spring Festival, every household will carefully clean and sweep for a nice and neat new year. I will see you next time. Bye!